Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your safe Nonce and transaction history, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your safe Nonce and transaction history, start by accessing your Safe wallet. Open the Safe application on your device. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Options menu. Look for the section labeled Backup or Security. Select the option to back up your wallet. You may be prompted to enter your password for security. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate a backup. Choose a secure location for your backup file. This could be an external drive, cloud storage, or a secure folder. Once the backup is created, ensure you save it in multiple locations. Next, locate your transaction history within the Safe application. This section usually appears under History or Transactions. Review your transaction history to ensure accuracy. If the application allows, export your transaction history. This can often be done by selecting an export or download button. Choose the file format that works best for your needs. Again, save this file in a secure location. Remember to keep your backup files protected. Avoid sharing them with others to maintain security. Review your backups periodically to ensure they are up to date. If necessary, repeat the backup process as new transactions occur. By following these steps, you can securely back up your safe Nonce and transaction history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.